Are you wondering how to make money online using DeepSeek or really any other AI model? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a practical way that you can use DeepSeek to start making some side cash, potentially hundreds of dollars a week. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I use for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for that in the video description or pinned comment below. Now, technically, there are dozens of ways that we could leverage DeepSeek to make money. Heck, you can build apps with it at this point. You could use DeepSeek as a consultant for other businesses. You could probably even ask it for investment advice, things like that. But in this video, what I'm going to show you is how we can use DeepSeek to help us build a website that we can then monetize through affiliate revenue, ad revenue, or even digital products. Think of ebooks and courses. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step using several different prompt sequences. And by the way, if you don't feel comfortable using DeepSeek due to data privacy reasons, what I'm going to show you in this tutorial can also work on Perplexity, as they added DeepSeek's R1 reasoning model inside Perplexity, which is based on US servers. Just wanted to give you another option for those who aren't comfortable using DeepSeek. So step one, if you've never used DeepSeek before, you need to go to deepseek.com, sign up for a free account so we can start using the web version like I'm showing you right here. Once you have access to this, the next thing you want to do is enable DeepThink. It's R1 reasoning model. It's a very good model, and we want to make sure that we're utilizing it. Then what I'm going to do is provide the following prompt, and I will leave all of these prompts in the video description below. I want to create a website that makes money, and I need you to tell me the top 5 most profitable yet not very competitive niches that people are searching for on Google. Make sure these niches solve real-world problems that people struggle with daily. Give me 5 website and domain name ideas for each niche. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing there with this prompt. So I'm going to let DeepSeek's R1 model process this and then skip ahead when my answer is complete. All right, so that response took only 31 seconds, and I like how DeepSeek's R1 model kind of lays it out step by step how it was thinking about this. But regardless, here are the 5 profitable low competition niches that DeepSeek came up with. Eco-friendly product alternatives, remote work, mental health and productivity. I like that one. Pet care for allergies, budget family travel planning, DIY home repair for seniors. All of these aren't bad niches in my opinion, but because I'm familiar with this niche the most and I'm a little passionate about it as well, I'm going to choose option 2. And so then what you want to do based on whatever niche that you select is you want to follow up with the following prompt. Okay, I like option 2 and the domain calmremotemind.com. As if you remember, I asked it to provide me for domain name ideas, so I added that domain right there. Now find 5 lucrative affiliate offers for this niche of remote work and mental health. Then I'm going to click enter, and then I'm going to skip ahead when this output is complete. All right, so DeepSeek then came up with 5 high converting affiliate offers perfectly aligned for calmremotemind.com. So it gave the idea of meditation and mental wellness apps, and I like how it has the different offer examples: Headspace, Calm, BetterHelp, Why It Works, productivity and focus tools, ergonomic home office gear, remote work courses and coaching, blue light glasses and wellness tech. And there's definitely opportunities to kind of mix and match all of these different subcategories. But let's say in this example, I really want to hone in on one of these particular topics. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hone in on meditation and mental wellness apps. I think for online therapy platforms like BetterHelp or Headspace, that reoccurring commission is better as an affiliate versus the one-off buying office gear, buying blue light glasses. They might be higher ticket at first, but you really want that reoccurring revenue as an affiliate marketer. And so now that I have the foundation of what I'm going to do, of course, now I need to build a website. And for those of you who are like me that aren't very technical, you don't have a coding background, I'd recommend a solution like Hostinger, especially their AI website builder. And for full transparency, Hostinger is sponsoring this video, but I've been a satisfied customer of theirs for over 6 years now. All of my clients' websites and domains, including all of my personal websites, are actually hosted on Hostinger. So I appreciate them for reaching out to me to sponsor this video. Now, Hostinger is my preferred all in one website solution for domains, hosting, security, and also all of the different AI features that they continue to add, especially their AI website builder. And that's what I'm going to show you here later in this video is how we compare what we got with DeepSeek with the strategy component with Hostinger's AI website builder. I even went ahead and published my Calm Remote Mind website that I was just showing you on DeepSeek. Took me literally a few minutes to create this with AI using Hostinger, and it went ahead and built out a homepage. It went ahead and built out blog posts, even a resources page, and you can easily add on and edit things with their drag and drop AI website builder right here. So that's what I'm going to show you later in this tutorial. Now, to get started with Hostinger, I have a special discount link that you can find in the video description or pinned comment below that will get you up to 71% off their business website builder plan. And I highly recommend using this one over the premium website builder. I've been using the business website builder plan for a couple years now, and I really enjoy it. And especially if you're into some of the AI features like the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, even some of the AI SEO tools, and all the other new AI features that Hostinger continues to add. So to get started, all you need to do is click choose plan under the business website builder. And guess what, guys? I also have a coupon code that Hostinger provided for me that gets you an additional discount. So if you click have a coupon code, you can enter my name, Ryan Dozer, in all caps, click apply, and that will get you an additional 10% off. So even $19 more off the original 71% discount. Then all you need to do is click continue. It'll prompt you to create an account, finish the registration process, and then you're good to go. So now I want to show you how we can use Hostinger's AI website builder paired with DeepSeek to start making some money online. And once you're logged into the dashboard of Hostinger, the very first thing we need to do is secure our domain. So what you want to do is click domains, click get a new domain, and this is where you will enter the domain that DeepSeek provided. So in this example, it was calmremotemind.com. That was the domain that I liked the best. Then I'm going to come back to Hostinger, paste that domain, and click search. You first want to make sure that that domain is available to purchase. And if it's not, you can find all the other relevant ideas down here. Some are as cheap as 99 cents a year. This one's only $4.99 a year, which is great. And then all you would do is click buy now. I'd recommend probably the 2-year plan. It's very cheap for $4.99 for the first year. Then you would click complete payment. I'm not going to buy the domain in this example since I don't have much use for it other than this video. So now that we've bought our domain, the next thing we need to do is start building a website. And all you need to do is go on the left-hand side under websites, click websites list. You'll see I have a few websites right here on this Hostinger account. What you want to do is click add website and then click Hostinger website builder. This is the AI website builder that I'm referring to. And then it's going to take you to a screen where it looks like this. You'd give it the brand name and then also the description. So then what I'm going to do, and this is where DeepSeek comes in again, I'd recommend taking a screenshot of this image, and then we can come back into Hostinger, and I'm going to prompt the following. Great, let's go with option 1 of mental wellness apps. That's the option right here. I'm now going to create a website using an AI website builder and need your help with the description of the image I've attached. Don't exceed 700 characters and optimize this description as best as possible for my niche and subtopic. Then I'm going to click this paperclip icon so I can find that image that I just took a screenshot of. Here it is right here. Going to upload that to DeepSeek. And then once this is finished uploading, I'm going to click enter. So let's go ahead and click enter. And then I'm going to skip ahead after this output is complete. All right, so here's the description that DeepSeek provided. And again, I'd recommend reading through this before you simply copy and paste it into Hostinger's AI website builder. But I'm going to come back here. If you remember, my brand name is Calm Remote Mind. So the description basically is talking about how it helps remote workers and digital nomads discover tools to combat stress and burnout. We provide detailed, unbiased reviews of top mental wellness apps like Calm, Headspace, BetterHelp, comparing features, etc., etc. So I like this, and I'm going to click create a website. And then I'm going to skip ahead while this website is being created. All right, so that literally took Hostinger about 30 seconds to build this website with AI. Now, the very first step before we dive into any of this is you want to make sure that you connect your domain from the previous step. Remember, we bought that domain. You'll see I'm on a temporary domain right now, but what you would do is click Get Domain. And then all you would do from there is find your domain under the list here, click it, and then you would click Next and then proceed from there. Obviously, I don't have a domain ready to go for this example, but that is where you would find your domain. So I'm going to click back. And now we're back on the website editor. You can go live if you want to push this live right away, or I'd recommend clicking preview so you can see what this looks like. And now we're going to go back to DeepSeek for the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a screenshot of my homepage on my website. You'll see why I'm doing that here in a little bit. And then we're going to go back to DeepSeek. We're going to go inside the same chat that we've been using. And now I'm going to prompt it with the following. Great, my website is built and I've uploaded an image of my homepage. So let's go ahead and find that image of my homepage that I'm going to upload here. I'm trying to find it on my desktop. There it is. Let's upload it. Now help me with SEO and content strategy. Give me 5 blog post ideas that would help make me money through affiliates on the topic of mental wellness apps. Provide a target keyword and title for each blog post idea. Also provide the resource to sign up for the relevant affiliate programs. So I'm going to hit enter and then come back once this output is complete. All right, so DeepSeek provided me with several different blog post ideas, but one I really liked here was 5 best online therapy platforms for remote workers. And so then I asked it to generate a description and also a target keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this description here, and you'll see why I'm doing that. And then I'm going to come back to Hostinger's AI website builder. Now, to create a blog post, all you need to do on the left-hand side is click blog, and you'll see add a new post. Let's do that. For this example, I'm going to keep it formal and I'm going to do 800 to 1,000 words. And this is where you would paste your description. So here's the description that DeepSeek created. Now you can write the content yourself, but I'm actually going to have Hostinger create this blog post for me, which again, that's one of the AI benefits or AI upgrades that you get when using the business plan on Hostinger. So now I'm going to come back after this blog post is complete. All right, and here's the blog post that Hostinger created. Not bad, and right away, let's say you don't like this image. Another cool AI feature that Hostinger offers, you can click Generate Image. Now, in terms of the actual content itself, very well written, but here's where we get to how you make money with this stuff. And by the way, this isn't going to rank overnight for anything related to affordable therapy platforms for remote workers. You need to add internal links, external links, get backlinks to your new website once it's live, add images, H2s, H3s, and all the other ins and outs that go into SEO. But what you would do, and I'm showing you high level here, is you would find all the relevant affiliate programs for these online therapy platforms like a BetterHelp, a Talkspace, a Calmery, etc., etc. So right here, I found Talkspace affiliate program. I'm not going to do that in this example. It would take too long, but you would join the affiliate program here. Or Calmery, for example, you would join the affiliate program right here. You can apply this to any niche that offers these affiliate programs. And then once you're approved to become a member here, you would take your affiliate link that they give you, you would come back to Hostinger's AI website editor, and then insert those affiliate links throughout the blog post. And then when someone clicks on those affiliate links and they purchase, you get a cut of that. So I hope you're still following along at this point, but once you have several blog posts created, you'd come back to blog, click add a new post, and just add relevant blog posts over time on Hostinger's AI website builder, you would want to push this site live. Now, is this process a silver bullet and going to start making you money overnight? No, I'm just showing you the process of pairing Hostinger's AI website builder with DeepSeek so we can start making affiliate revenue passively. And this takes time to build up, but this is still a viable option in 2025 and beyond to make money online. And again, if you want to try Hostinger and its AI website builder, be sure to click my link in the video description or pin comment below to get your exclusive discount. Again, thank you to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. So again, I know this isn't a perfect solution and by no means will you make money overnight doing what I showed you in this video, but the purpose was hopefully to get the juices flowing for you on how we can make money with DeepSeek and also this AI website builder from Hostinger. And if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What are some other ways we can make money online with DeepSeek or another AI model? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.